Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a squeaky noise in a dryer. So if your dryer is making squeaky noise, this is how you fix it. So here's a squeaking noise dryer making. One quick way to fix it is just to take out this bottom part of the dryer and lubricate the belt and the wheel that's running the belt, and that will solve the problem for a while, but eventually you might need to replace the wheel and the belt to fix it permanently. So we're gonna take out these screws underneath and that will allow me to take out this part of the dryer. The part we'll have to, this belt right here, we'll have to lubricate those, and another one is right here. We'll lubricate these three places, and that should get rid of the squeaky noise. I'm using, it's a garage door lubricator. I'll spray this one. Oh, this was a Maytag series, and so I've lubricated the belt and the wheels. Now I'm going to turn it on and see if it's still making the squeaky noise. As you guys can hear, there are no noise. So that's something you can do. Take out the, depending on your model of your dryer, take out the part where the belt is and just lubricate it. Don't use WD-40. Use a lubricator, something that you can lubricate with, and it stays for a longer period. That should get rid of the squeaky noise. So hopefully you find this video helpful. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.